Okay, so I have my original tail light here. I'm gonna put some foam over this to help protect it from getting scratched up. And the two ends here, one end and the other end. So I believe I have to scavenge parts from this tail light here to complete the JDM light. It's kind of goofy. They should have just, gives you all the parts, but who knows? Who knows if I actually need those, need some actual parts or not. Okay. Where's my freaking my driver? Should have my power driver out here. I'm taking this off in like 2 seconds flat. It's alright. Y'all just gonna have to bear with me. Okay, so that's off. This should pop out somehow. Okay, so the top pops off, like so. So those are the 4 screws in here that held it. Let's set that aside. And let's see. So on the back here you have these 2 bolts. I think I need these 2 bolts for my JDM tail light. Let's see, I don't think I need that. Nothing else holds this except for maybe these 2. Those are 8 millimeters. There's my 8mm sockets. Let's see if this fits my socket wrench or not. No, let's see. I'm sure there's no space there. Dang it, there's not enough space. Not enough space. Okay. I do have an 8mm box wrench here. With the slow method, but shit. Oh, what the hell? That thing is tight. Jesus. That thing is real tight. I think hold it down, that's the problem. Let's see. Oh, the whole thing is moving. This whole bracket is moving. Jesus Christ. Oh, jeez. Ow. Just pinched my fingertip there. Man, that was tight. Jeez. So I believe I have to use this on the JDM. Use these bolts on the JDM turn signals. There's one there. Let's take out this other side. Shoot, kind of off camera there. Ugh, Jesus Christ, that's tight, man. Holy schmoly. Okay, that's good there. Let's see, what's holding the tail light on is these 2 bolts. I don't think I need that for the factory one. Doesn't seem like it. Or I shouldn't say factory one, I should say the JDM kit. Let's see. Move this JDM kit over. Let's move this thing over somewhere. Let's decide where else. Let's see. Yeah. Stuff so nothing gets scratches. Nothing gets scratches. So those 2 bolts I need. Here's the JDM. So this is where I need these things. Right here. Shit, it doesn't fit. Really? Motherfucker. Nothing fits, dude. Motherfucker. Doesn't fit. God damn it. These holes are smaller. Fuck. You son of a bitch. Okay, now I'm pissed. Paid that much fucking money for a kit that's not complete. Okay.